You're scrolling through your feed right now, probably on a lunch break or killing time before bed, watching yet another video about making money online, and let me guess, you're thinking, yeah, sure, another AI money scheme that won't work for regular people. But here's the thing. While you're skeptical, thousands of people who watched videos just like this one 6 months ago are now pulling in their first $500, $1,000, even $3,000 a month. Not from some crypto scam or dropshipping nightmare. From simple AI-powered side hustles, they started with literally $0. So here's what we're doing today. I'm going to walk you through 3 actual businesses you can launch in the next 30 days using completely free AI tools. No credit card required, no technical skills needed, and I'm going to show you real numbers, real platforms, and the exact tools people are using right now to make this work. Because the gap between people who are cashing in on AI and people who are just watching from the sidelines, it's not talent, it's not luck, it's just information, and you're about to get all of it. Let's start with side hustle number 1, AI-generated print-on-demand art. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, everyone's doing that, let me show you why most people are doing it wrong and how you can do it right. Here's the setup. You're going to use free AI art generators, specifically DALL-E via Bing Image Creator or Google's Gemini to create designs. Then you upload those designs to print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble, Printful, or Society6. When someone buys a t-shirt, mug, or poster with your design, the platform prints it, ships it, and you get paid. You never touch inventory, you never handle shipping, you just create the art and collect the money. But here's where it gets interesting. The people making real money aren't just throwing random AI art at the wall, they're targeting micro-niches. Think dog breeds combined with specific hobbies, corgi yoga instructors, golden retriever accountants, or niche fandoms that don't get enough merch. Indie game communities, obscure anime references. One creator I follow made $2,400 in September 2025, selling designs for a specific model of vintage motorcycle. That's it. One niche. All AI-generated art. Here's your action plan. Open Bing Image Creator. It's free and powered by DALL-E 3. Type in something like minimalist line art of a French bulldog wearing glasses reading a book. Hit generate. In 30 seconds you've got 4 variations. Pick the best one. Download it. Then head to Canva's free plan and clean it up if needed. Add text overlays like Book Club Legend or Read More Bark Less. Export as a high-res PNG. Upload to Redbubble. Set your markup. You're live. Now, most people quit after uploading 5 designs and getting 0 sales. That's the trap. The algorithm on these platforms rewards volume and consistency. You need at least 50 designs to start seeing traction. Sounds like a lot? With AI you can crank out 10 designs in an hour. Do that 5 days in a row and you're done. Then you let the platform's search function do the work. People are searching for these niche terms every single day. Your designs will start showing up, and when they do, the sales come. Real numbers? A designer named Sarah documented her journey on Reddit. She uploaded 73 AI-generated designs in October 2025. By the end of the month she'd made $340. Not life-changing, but that's passive income from work she did once. By December she was at $890 a month, all because she stuck with it past the first week when nothing happened. Alright, side hustle number 2. AI-written ebooks on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. And no, I'm not talking about those garbage AI books that Amazon's cracking down on. I'm talking about something way smarter. Here's the truth. Amazon has gotten brutal about low-effort AI content. They can detect it. They'll delist your book. You'll get banned. So if you're thinking, I'll just have ChatGPT write a 30-page ebook and upload it, stop right there. That's not the play. The play is using AI as your research assistant and outline builder, then adding your own voice and structure. Let me show you how this works. Pick a niche where people are desperately searching for how-to information. Weight loss for busy parents. Budgeting for Gen Z. Beginner's guide to starting a podcast. These are evergreen topics with massive search volume on Amazon. Open ChatGPT, or better yet, use Google's Gemini, which is free and has no daily message limits. Ask it to generate a detailed outline for your ebook. Let's say your topic is how to meal prep for one person on a tight budget. Gemini will spit out a chapter-by-chapter breakdown in seconds. 12 chapters, each with 3 to 5 subheadings. You've got your structure. Now here's where you add value. Use the outline as a skeleton, but fill it in with your own research, your own examples, and real-world data. Go to Reddit. Search for meal prep questions. Screenshot real comments from real people struggling with this exact problem. Add those screenshots to your ebook as case studies. That's human-generated content right there. Amazon can't flag that. Use Notebook LM, which is a completely free tool from Google, to analyze YouTube transcripts from meal prep channels. Feed those transcripts into Notebook LM and ask it to summarize the top 5 mistakes beginners make. Take those summaries and rewrite them in your own words. You're now citing expert sources while keeping the content unique. Once your manuscript is done, usually 50 to 80 pages for a solid how-to ebook, formatted in Canva. They've got free ebook templates. Export as PDF. Upload to Kindle Direct Publishing. Set your price at $2.99 to $4.99. Hit publish. You're live on Amazon in 72 hours. Now, the money part. Amazon pays 70% royalties on ebooks priced between $2.99 and $9.99. If you sell your ebook for $3.99, you make $2.79 per sale. Sounds small, right? But here's the kicker. Once your ebook is live, it stays live forever. It's working for you while you sleep. A guy named Marcus published 4 AI-assisted ebooks in August and September 2025. By October, he was averaging 30 sales a month across all 4 titles. That's $335 a month in completely passive income, and he spent $0 to create any of it. Side hustle number 3, and this is the one most people overlook, a niche blog powered by AI content tools. Now before you say, blogs are dead, let me hit you with some numbers. In 2025, Google processes over 8.5 billion searches every single day. People are still looking for answers, they're still clicking on blog posts, and if you know how to optimize for search and deliver real value, you can build traffic fast. Here's the setup. You're going to pick a micro niche, not fitness, not travel. Think smaller. Beginner calisthenics for people over 40. Budget backpacking in Southeast Asia. Indoor plant care for small apartments. These niches have dedicated audiences who are actively searching for content every single day. Use Google AI Studio, which is free, to generate content ideas. Ask it, what are 20 common questions people ask about indoor plant care? It'll give you a list in seconds. Each one of those questions is a potential blog post. Now, here's the key. Don't just copy-paste AI-generated paragraphs. Use the AI to create an outline and gather facts, then rewrite it in your own voice. Add personal anecdotes. Link to real studies. Embed YouTube videos from other creators. Google rewards original, helpful content, not AI slop. For hosting, use WordPress with a free theme. You don't need to pay for premium anything at the start. Write 3 to 5 blog posts per week. Each post should be 1,200 to 1,800 words. Use free keyword research tools like Ubersuggest or Google Keyword Planner to find low-competition keywords. Target search terms with 500 to 2,000 monthly searches. Those are your sweet spot. Monetization? 3 paths. 1. Google AdSense. Once you hit consistent traffic, usually around 10,000 views a month, you can apply. Approval rates are high if your content is solid. You'll make pennies per click at first, but as traffic grows, so does income. 2. Affiliate marketing. Sign up for Amazon Associates or niche-specific affiliate programs. Write product reviews or how-to guides and link to products. When someone clicks and buys, you earn a commission. 3. Digital products. Once you've got an audience, sell your own ebooks, templates, or courses directly from your site. Real example? A woman named Priya started a blog about budget travel in India in July 2025. She used DeepSeek, a free AI model, to generate content outlines, and Google Trends to pick topics. By October, she was getting 8,000 monthly visitors. She monetized with Amazon affiliate links and made $420 that month. Not massive, but growing every single week. And she's spending maybe 10 hours a week on it. Now here's the reality check. None of these side hustles will make you rich overnight. If you're looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, this isn't it. But if you're willing to put in 30 days of consistent work, these 3 businesses can absolutely generate $500 to $2,500 a month in passive income by month 3 or 4. And the best part? Once they're set up, they keep working for you. Your print-on-demand designs keep selling. Your ebooks keep getting discovered. Your blog keeps pulling in traffic. The people who fail at this aren't failing because the system doesn't work. They're failing because they quit after week 1 when nothing happens. Or they upload 5 designs instead of 50. Or they publish 2 blog posts and give up. Consistency is the cheat code. Not talent, not luck, just showing up every single day for 30 days and doing the work. So here's what you need to do right now. Pick one of these 3 side hustles, not all 3, just one. Open your laptop, Create an account on the platform you're going to use. Redbubble for print on demand, Kindle Direct Publishing for ebooks, WordPress for blogging, and then take the first step. Generate your first design, outline your first chapter, write your first blog post. Do that today, not tomorrow. Today. Because the version of you 6 months from now who's pulling in an extra $1,000 a month, that person only exists if you start right now, and the crazy part is, all of this is completely free. You don't need to invest a single dollar. The only thing you're investing is time, and if you're already spending 2 hours a day scrolling TikTok or binge-watching Netflix, you've got the time. You're just choosing to spend it on things that don't build anything. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, okay, this sounds good, but I want more details on how to actually execute each step, I've got you covered. Drop a comment below telling me which side hustle you're starting with, print on demand, ebooks, or blogging. I'm going to pin the top comment and reply with specific tool links and walkthroughs. And if you want to see the behind-the-scenes breakdown of how these AI tools actually work, the next video on this channel is going to blow your mind. We're diving into the AI tools that are completely reshaping how people build online businesses in 2025. The stuff that's flying under the radar, but generating insane results for early adopters. You're going to want to watch that one because it connects all the dots. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.